Hi guys, myself CMA Banu, I'm accounting faculty in Shikhara tutorials. Today in this video, I'm coming up with a great news, an exciting offer on all the classes of CMA Inter recorded. So before going to share the offer, I would like to share something. All the faculties of CMA Inter are experienced, expertised and qualified. Now I would like to share the faculty details and number of hours for each subject. Land ethics is dealt by CA Cainterdt sir, having a 7+ years of experience, so within 105 hours. When coming to the financial accounting is dealt by myself I have covered within 110 hours. When coming to the direct taxes is taken by CA Bhaskar sir, having a 10+ years of experience, so within 80 hours. When coming to the indirect taxes, once again discussed by CA Cainterdt sir, so within 70 hours. When coming to the costing, CMA DQ Naveen sir, he is young and dynamic, having a 7+ years of experience, so he has taken within 100 hours. And next one, when coming to the group 2 online classes, the faculty details are for OM and SM, CA Manendra Singh sir, having a 10+ years of experience. Corporate accounting, once again dealt by myself When coming to the audit, will be discussed by CA Rohit Grover sir, having a 10+ years of experience. Financial management is dealt by CMA DQ Naveen sir. BDA will be discussed by CA Manendra Singh sir, and management accounting once again will be discussed by CMA DQ Naveen sir. The group 2 classes are running on daily basis, will be available on website The syllabus of the group 2 will be completed on February end of 2026. So no doubt you can write the examinations by way of using these classes in June 2026. Next, when coming to the fee details, in the online, if you want to purchase for single group, either group 1 or group 2, you have to pay 30,000. For the both the groups, you have to pay 55,000. But currently there is an exciting offer at the rate of how much 10% flat discount available on single group or both the groups. But you have to use the code SANTA10. If you want to purchase our classes, you have to visit our website www.shikharatutorials.in. So please grab this opportunity as early as possible. So thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care. Signing off. CMA Banu.